I'm Lucian Talbot. I graduated from Alfred in the Electrical Construction and Maintenance program. I currently work at Douglas Electric, and I'm an electrician in the field. I chose Alfred State. My grandfather went here back in like the 80s, and he talked me into it, and it was the best decision I've ever made. The first day we learned about Ohm's law, you know, to doing fire alarms. You know, you incorporate every little thing that we learned. At some point, you know, throughout a work week, you know, you really do use everything that they teach you. My best memory here was going through the process of doing our freshman project at the end of the year, wiring up a house. That was cool. There's a lot out there, you know, from commercial to residential to, you know, you can go work in a factory and do industrial, or, you know, solar is really big. There's so much you can do. At Douglas, both of our owners went to Alfred State, and everybody that I work with on a daily basis is from Alfred State. So it's a pretty close community, and, you know, everybody knows the same people, and yeah, it's really cool. So I was introduced to Douglas Electric through a professor of mine here that worked for them on the summers, and so again, just, you know, through Alfred State, got a job. It's so important for us to come and recruit Alfred State students, because just coming out right out of the jump, it's just they're just ready. You know, they have all the basic skills and, you know, tools that they need to complete a job. It's just, you know, putting it out in the workforce, and, you know, it really prepares you to start work. Alfred State's helped me plug into my career. Thank you.